everyone, in today's video of KidScieNfoTainment, I'll be telling about the effect of gravity in water. The materials required for this experiment are alcohol, oil, an eyedropper, and two test tubes, one filled with water and one filled with alcohol. The procedure is fill one half of the test tube with water. Take another test tube and fill it 1/4 of alcohol. Take the second test tube and slowly pour alcohol. Now I will fill my eyedropper with some oil, do not shake the test tube or else it will mix and form one solution. Now place the tip of the eyedropper above the test tube and pour some drops of oil. This is what happens. The alcohol forms a layer on top of the water. The drops of oil is below the layer of alcohol and above the layer of water. You may also see that the bubble is in the middle of the test tube. This is because this layer of the test tube is filled with alcohol and this part of the test tube is filled with water. The science behind it or reason behind it is that the alcohol forms a layer above the water. Why does it form? Because the alcohol is less dense than the water. The oil droplets are more dense than the alcohol and less dense than water, making it float between the two liquids. Gravity does not affect the oil droplets. This is because the alcohol and the water molecules are pulling the oil droplets in all directions. The oil molecules pull on each other and try to cover the least surface area, which is a sphere. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please do consider liking and subscribing to this video. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon for future updates on our channel.